In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Vantage account. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to sign into your Vantage account, and then the easiest way to do this is by going down here to the chat bot and just clicking on this chat, and then you want to open up a new chat, new conversation, and then basically what you want to ask it is like how to delete a Vantage account, or of course, like I want to delete Vantage account, something like that, and then it's going to ask you if you would like to close your Vantage account or a trading account. So depending on what you want to achieve, you want to click on that. You're going to be given two options. So to actually delete the entire account, click on the Vantage account, and then here it's going to say that if you wish to close your Vantage account, you have to fill out this form and agent will get back to you. So click on account closure form. It's going to take you to their website over here, which basically will look like this over here. There we go. And then what you're going to have to do is you have to put in your full name, your email, and then your MT4 or MT5 account number, which is going to be this one over here. Let me show you real quick. So this number over here, you want to put it in, and then you have to put in the reason for termination, and then some additional feedback if you want to as well. And then here, you want to make sure that you have closed all open positions, withdrawn all your funds, and that your account is actually ready to go. And then if you wish to proceed, just confirm that, click on submit, and then as it said over there, an agent will get back to you. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.